Hey guys, it's Megan. So in today's video, we're going to be doing episode 4 in my 5 ways to fill your sketchbook series. If you've missed any of the other episodes in the series, I will link them in the description as well as in the eye in the corner. You guys know I hate long intros, so let's just get into the video. The first idea that I have for you guys is to draw a character that you make in the Pastel Girl app. This is a new app that everyone is obsessed with, especially on Instagram. It's an app where you basically get to create your own character, so you get to choose the face and the clothes and the hair, and it's super fun. You can make your drawing pretty close to the original like I did, or you can do it in your own art style. The only thing that I really changed from the original drawing was the eyes. I colored the drawing using my Winsor & Newton Pro markers, and I have some pastel colors, but they weren't as pastel as the ones in the app, so it ended up turning out a little bit different. And here's how the finished drawing turned out. The next idea that I have for you guys is to draw out a recipe. This was inspired by a picture that my grandma has hanging in her house, and it tells you how to make apple pie, and there are little pictures of the ingredients on it. For this drawing, I decided to do the recipe for DIY cinnamon ornaments. I actually made a video on these last year during Christmas, so I'll link it in the iCard in the corner. Of course, you could do a more everyday recipe, like something that you make regularly, but I just thought this would be fun to draw. And here's how the finished drawing turned out. The next idea also comes from Instagram, and that is to do the Artist Quirks tag. This is basically where you just draw out little facts about yourself that other people might not know, and they probably don't care about, but you're gonna tell them anyways. So here are the facts that I decided to put in my drawing. I never paint my nails because it'll come off in an hour. I drink way too much caffeine, way too much. I still own a VCR and I still watch VHS tapes sometimes. I have a ton of clothes, but I wear the same 5 outfits all the time. I keep way too much junk because I always feel like I'm gonna need it someday. I have really bad posture. I love long sleeve shirts and I'll wear them even in the summer when it's really hot. I fell off my bike in 2nd grade and I still have the scar from it. Both of my ears are pointed, and in kindergarten this girl used to call me an elf, and I was just okay. And lastly, I don't swear unless it's absolutely necessary. In YouTube comments, I never swear. I don't know why people swear in YouTube comments. It's really just not necessary. Just don't do it. Stay classy. The next idea is to draw out a list. This was inspired by an image that I saw on Pinterest, and I'm pretty sure it was from a bullet journal. This is a list of things that you can do when you're having a bad day, but you could do any kind of list that you want. On my list, I put to cuddle with my cat, to go for a walk, create something, watch YouTube, flip through old magazines, to blast emo music, and by emo music, I low-key mean Avril Lavigne, and did you guys hear that she's coming out with new music soon? I'm very excited for that. Make coffee or hot chocolate, watch an old movie, paint your nails, go on Pinterest, do yoga, even though I've never done yoga really, and to window shop online, which pretty much means adding a bunch of stuff that I really don't need to my Amazon wish list. This last idea really didn't turn out the best, but I still wanted to show you guys anyways because I think that it's a fun concept, and it is to draw a cartoon character in another cartoon style. So I decided to draw Blossom from the Powerpuff Girls, but in the Fairly OddParents style. And as you can see, this really is not Blossom's best look, but I tried, and I'm sure that a lot of you guys could do better than I did. And before I go, I wanted to show you guys this super fun new game from Redwood Ventures called Flying Sushi Kitchen. This game is for ages 6 and up, and it's for 1 to 4 players, which I think is awesome because if you have no friends like me, then you can just play it by yourself. So let me just show you guys how cool this game is. So you put the sushi on top of the bamboo sticks, and then it flies in the air, and the goal of the game is to get the sushi with some chopsticks out of the air. And it's actually a little bit harder than you might think. They give you these little helper things to put on the end of the chopsticks to make it easier to hold them, but for some of the challenges you have to do it without those, and guys, it was so hard to do that. My sister and I have been playing this game so much recently, and we've been having so much fun. It always takes me a few minutes to kind of warm up and get the hang of it, but once you get the hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. If you guys want to get this game, I'll have it linked in the description. I know it's a little bit early to be thinking about Christmas, but this would make a great Christmas gift. Thank you so much to Redwood Ventures for sending me this to review. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more videos just like this one, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. It is @WellerMegs. And yeah, I love you guys so, so much, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!